Hello, here's the Unit 4 exercises, starting with exercise 7-1. First is the try catch statement. Here's your try for the button calculate. And also here's the catch and then the end try. And here's the catch all other errors code that is also commented out. And here is your throw statement. So modified, added the is present, is decimal, is int, and is within range. Procedures. To our is valid data procedure right here. And I modified the click button, the calculate button, sorry, to call the is valid data procedure right there. And let's see how it runs. So here's the program. We have it running. I'm going to type in a letter to see if it catches the error in there. It does. It's out of range. Go. Do this. Let's leave it blank also. There you go, it catches all the errors. And that's it for exercise 7-1. Okay, here now we have our exercise 7-2, the invoice total application. First thing we're going to look at is to comment the else clause, so that it's only a customer type R and C. So I can just do that right here. There you go. But I'm going to undo it because I need this for the rest to run my code. So now we can look at the is valid customer type, and it is right here. Then I added this to the calculate event. And now we're going to look at the is valid subtotal. It's right here. And the is valid subtotal is right there. And as I mentioned earlier, customer type T is right here with a discount of 40%. And now let's see what happens when we run the program. So number. And that's it for exercise 7-2. Okay, here's our exercise 8-1, enhancing the invoice total application. Here are our variables. Here for your array of 5 invoice totals. And here's your list. Here's your pointer. And I modified our click event to add element to the arrays. Okay, continuing on, here is the modified exit button code to display the array values. And there's our sort values array. And for our list, totals list is right here. So let's see what happens when we run the program. So we have our program running. Just going to enter some random values. And that's more than 5 entries, so it displays the message box with too many entries. And there are our values sorted. And that is it for exercise 8-1. Okay, here's a final project 8-1. The test score data. Here are our variables. Our function for valid data. Here is the function that validates if there's anything in the boxes. Function to check if it's numerical, and function to check if it's within range. And our click event calls for the validation. Oh, forgot to show you our valid data function right here. And that is called up here. And our click event. And here is where add list to the array, adds the total and adds the count, and it calculates the averages. And here it is rounded to 0 decimal places. And the focus on the score is right there. we have our exception handling, which is right here. And let us run the program. Here's our score calculator program running, and I'm just going to input some scores. And we can display them in a message box right here, and they are sorted. And once I press clear scores, display, nothing happens. And click exit, and it exits the program. So there is our project 8-1. Thank you.